Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add payment method on Jotform. So let's just begin. First you're going to be creating a form, and you can use any of the form which is going to be suiting you the best. Let's just say you have this particular one, and adding a payment method is really simple. Now before we do that, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 50% off onto your Jotform subscription. So click on this add elements option. You can see we have payments option in here, so you can, let's just say you want to add an Apple Pay. You can incorporate anywhere that you like. Let's just say you want to do it at the bottom, and just like that you can see we can add a credit card and Apple Pay, Google Pay, and the users are going to be basically using this. So you can see you can payment connection, you need to do that as well. So make sure you add in here your Google Pay account, and it will be automatically connected. So that's how easy it is. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.